Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from theseasonlife.com, and just got off the video conference call with my mastermind group, and we have a ton in store to, get the year off. We're just going to suspend next week's meeting because it is Christmas and it's the holiday, but we are in the process of building this community. So, very exciting stuff. And I'm excited, man, because things are moving a lot faster than I expected. And yeah, I'm hyped. Anywho, today was an awesome day. I literally am getting a shit ton done, wrapping up a client's website as we speak, putting some finishing touches, and hopefully I can deliver it by 5 p.m. today. I don't even know why I'm telling you this because you're not going to see it until I post this video, but by the time I post this video, their client's website should be up and running, which is really good. Trying to get that off of my docket. And this probably would be my last website project that I'll be this hands-on because I built the skill, know exactly what I want. Now I'm going to try to build the team around, the graphic design artist, the coder, so that, I can focus on, building the connections and getting the clients to the people who are handling the services. So I got my hands dirty, figured out website building isn't for me. Graphic design isn't for me. So now it's I understand the mechanics of it all. Now it's basically building the agency where it's find the teammates, right? The graphic design artist, the coder, the marketer, and then now focusing on the sales portion where it's finding out who's in need of websites, and basically figuring out, do they have a business plan, business model, and then selling the services, taking the services. I think they call that arbitrage, basically. You have a market, you have the services, you bring them two together, and you collect the difference, the commissions in between that exchange. So that's what I'm currently, after I deliver this this website, that's exactly what I'm going to be focusing on at the top of the year. So wrapping up this year, pretty good, when you start on this entrepreneurial journey, you're going to be coming across a ton of barriers, roadblocks that you have to overcome. And you quickly realize if I had to wake up and do this all the time, your boy ain't with it. So that's another mountain I'm going to have to climb, building the teammates and then building the sales force and then getting them all together. Anyways, quick little update. And tomorrow should have a kick-ass collab that I'm going to be working on. So stay tuned for that. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, holla at your boy.